Hey everyone, it's Thomas. Today we're going to go over a new structure called the switch structure. This is a really powerful structure that you can use in combination with loops and with sensors and do certain things to robots. So right now we're starting out in the common palette, but we're going to need to go over to the complete palette. So press this button, move over there. So right now we're going to put down a loop first. So go to flow, loop, stick it down. Today we're going to not have this loop forever. We're going to just have it loop for 7 seconds. And you'll see why in a second. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put down a switch structure, or as people sometimes call them, case structures. So what this does right now is if the button is pressed, it will go up here and do some actions. And if it's not pressed, it'll go down here and do some other action. So what we're going to do for this robot today is if it's pressed, it's going to go forward, and if it's not pressed, it's going to go backwards. So we're going to put a motor down. Sorry. I'm going to put a motor down. It's going to drive both of the motors in port C and B, and it's going to go forward, and it's going to go forward for an infinite amount of time. And we're going to do the same thing. And when the sensor is not pressed, as you can see by this icon, it's going to move backward. And it's also going to go for an unlimited amount of rotations, or an unlimited time rather. So if the button's pressed, it goes up here, drives forward, and as soon as you release it and it's not being pressed, the program's going to go down here and the motors will be driven backwards. And now we're just going to show you guys what that looks like. Go.
Yeah, I'm not going to